Warga Patisi TV.
Hatu pindon am katong manlong kita kinong siat hagi hotel dan hagi restoran ibapau. Hamokam hilapan pun orlong yang katong kocongpi. Ke emission kelap le bani ai ki course ki baper kadon ke degree course ke diploma baga advanced diploma course.
Ka Iran kalayar thama hak khatam sipai jong ka US kabudan Kuwait. Bat kala keno baka US kabudan kamya kan ka khatam sipai. Banyar thama ka Sirik Island kabudan Hormuzgan Provin. Ki sipai ka Iran kalayar thama dakajan. Baka khatam sipai jong US kala jular. Ki sipai sun jong ka Kuwait kilakam baka siap penbatai hasun bun teli ki misail bagi drone bat lapan pasairan ru habro ka wai ka ri Kuwait. Namar baka dan kecing mai ki pat ba. Kuwait kala peram ya kan jing le jong ka Iran hapo opur sam jong ka US ru kala yakon ban penbatai ki misail jong ka Iran bat kala ong bakan jeng scam banyada ya ki kitam sipai la jong.
What's happening? Oh my God. Get cover! Get everywhere! Jesus. Get down! Pose! No!
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.